So hello everyone, so this is the 27th video of our YouTube video series, and in this video we will discuss about how we can see our job application that we send it to the particular company. Here you can see in my GitHub repository this kind of things we have to perform in this today's video, that is which kind of job application or which kind of project application we send to the company. That application we have to show on that particular page. Okay, so these things we have to fix today, how we can see our own job application that we send it to the company. And in upcoming video we will also check the application status, that is sent, accepted or rejected. Okay, so these things we will also cover in our upcoming video. So in today's video our main target is that how we can see our own job application that we send it to that particular company. Okay, in our previous video we will discuss about how we can apply for a project. On that previous video, in 25th video, we discuss about how we can apply for a job. So if you didn't watch our previous video, I request you please watch this video and then come on this video, because you don't understand anything if you didn't watch this previous video. Okay, so let's start this video. So here you can see I already run my project, and you for showing that particular page, that is my job application. Here you can see my application. You have to come to our project, and here you have to come to the page that is a header freelancer.jsp. okay, open that, and here you have to notice one thing is that there is a page that is my application, but is not showing for because of for each loop. So I apply here the for each loop, and because of that it is not showing there. So I just remove this for each loop from here. Okay, simple is that. I just remove the for each loop, and the page mapping here, that is the freelancer application. I just simply remove the email from here also. First thing we have to do in this start, that is we have to load that particular page whenever I am just clicking on a my application button. Okay, so I just changing the mapping from here, that is the my application. Okay, I just simply copy this mapping from here and come to the freelancer controller. Simple is that. Come to the freelancer controller, and here I have to mention the mapping for load that particular page. So I am just writing here public string my application, then curly braces, then above of that we have to mention the request mapping, and in that request mapping I have to mention the similar thing, that is my application, and return on that similar kind of page. So whenever someone call the my application, it will redirect on a my application.jsp page. Okay, so for load that page we have to create that page on a pages folder. So double click on that, then new, then other, then JSP files, click on that, and page over mapping, click on a finish, and I check it out our page is coming here or not. So for that I have to come to my project again and refresh this page from here. Okay, and here you can see our session got invalidated. I just again log into my account from here. Here you can see I log into my account and click on a nav bar, and here you can see the my application page is now visible here. Click on that, and here you can see it will redirect me on that page. So for load this kind of page here, we have to come to our drive and HTML files, then pages, and here there is one page that is the my application. So I have to check the here you can see the my application.jsp. Open that, click on a download, and it will download it from there. Okay, so I'm just checking it downloaded or not in my folder. Here you can see it is downloaded, that is my application. Okay, open that, and now we have to copy this entire code from here and paste here that code. Okay, so here you can see I just paste this code here, that is job application. I just simply remove this for each loop from here on the job application as well as the project application. Okay, so this is for job application and this is for a project application. So I just simply remove is that. Okay, here you can see I just remove that and click on a refresh button again, and here you can see this page is successfully coming here. Now we have to only show here our job application as well as the project application. So for that, how we can show that particular thing on here? Think about that, how we can show our own data on that particular page. Okay, you have to think about it, how you can do it on yourself. So if you understand or if you remember that in our database, here you can see this is my apply job application. We pass our email also here, that is gauravpatilyoutube@gmail.com. So by the help of this kind of email, we can easily show our all kind of data on a my application page. Okay, so how we can show, let's discuss this thing. Okay, so here you can see I just simply show here the my profile with the help of session, and in my header file.freelancer, here you can see header file.freelancer, I already shown here the profile as well as my name. We just need the one thing is there, we have to only need here the for each loop, and with the help of for each loop we can easily get our email on this mapping. Okay, so here I have to simply apply the for each loop. So less than bracket c colon for each, then items, then double colon dollar, then we have to need the key. So we copy this similar key from here because this key has all kind of freelancer data. Then where is equal to e. Okay, simple is that. Then we have to close this for each loop after the li, and here you can see the for each loop is successfully applied here. Now for showing the email here, we have to mention the email here after the our my application mapping. So click on that slash, we have to mention $sign here, $sign, then curly braces, then e.email, and let's check it out our email is coming here or not. So for that I have to refresh this page from here also one more time, and here you can see after clicking on a navbar my application, and here you can see the left bottom side my application slash gauravpatilyoutube@gmail.com. so this mail is successfully come here. If you want to get that particular data from the name of freelancer, you can also get that, but name can be similar of any freelancer. In our video we avoid the duplicate email address. Here you can see in 15th video we will discuss about how we can avoid the duplicate email address submission. So email address will be unique of every freelancer. So by the help of that kind of email address we can now easily get that data. How you can show that data, I just tell you how you can perform this action. So for that we have to create the method in our freelancer controller, and by the help of this kind of method we can easily show that all kind of data in my application. So come to the freelancer controller, and here in that mapping you have to write that particular method to get data of that particular page. Okay, so I'm just writing here pd, that is project dot, that is get my application data, and in this I have to pass the email here. Okay, so how we can pass that email? So before the our mapping I have to write here the value, and value is equal to our this kind of mapping, and we have to again apply the slash and curly braces email, because in URL we are also passing the email, that's why we have to provide this thing compulsory also, my application slash email. Then in our mapping I have to write here as a path variable, then string email, because we are passing the parameter here, that is the email, and we have to pass this email on our particular method, and we have to call this method on a project DAO. Click on that, create method in project DAO, and here you can see the method is successfully created here. Now we have to do one thing is that we have to change the return type, that is the list. Okay, so list apply job, which is our class name, and we have to simply apply here the SQL queries, return t1 dot query, and I have to write here the select query. Okay, but in that select query we have to apply the like query. Okay, how you can do that, I just simply explain you. So select star from apply job where f email, which is freelancer email, like single colon, in that single colon we have to pass this percentage sign, then double colon, then plus plus, in that plus plus we have to pass our this kind of email. Okay, here you can see this is completed. Then I have to write here the new row mapper, simple is that, new row mapper, then in that I have to write my class name, that is the apply job, then brackets, then curly braces, then semicolon I have to apply at the last, Then in between the curly braces, I have to click on enter. Here you can see. Then add the unimplemented method, add that, and simple is that. Now we have to set and get value. Here we have to simple the, so now we have to only do one thing is here, we have to set and get value. So for that I have to create the object of our class, that is the apply job. A1 is equal to new apply job. Then we have to set and get value. So first one, a1 dot set id rs dot get string int, because id is integer, column index number 1. Then second one is the company name. So I am just writing here a1 dot set cname rs dot get string, column index number 2nd. Then I have to check my database, cname position. So a1 dot set position rs dot get string, column index number 3rd. Then a1 dot set fname rs dot get string, column index number 4th. Then a1 dot set f email rs dot get string, column index number 5th. And last one, a1 dot set resume f resume rs dot get string, column index number 6th. So total the 6 column is here. I have to write here the semicolon, and here you can see, you can check your database with 1 2 3 4 5 6 column is there. I have to simply return the a1 from here, so we can get this all kind of data. So all things regarding our project now is now finished. We have to return to a freelancer controller, and we have to get this entire thing into one list. So list apply job, I just write here my application data is equal to these all kind of things, and with the help of model map we can now easily show that all of the thing on my job, my application page. Okay, so I'm just writing a model map and model map class has a one method, that is dot add attribute. In that I have to pass the key and value, so value is automatically coming here. I have to write here the key, so I'm just writing here my application details. Now we have to simply copy this key from here. Before that I have to mention here the semicolon, and I need only one thing is that now this is the key, and with the help of this key we can now easily show that particular value on our my application.jsp page. Okay, so we have to come to our my application.jsp page. Here you can see this is for a job application and this is for a project application. So first we have to show the job application. So for that, here you can see this one is our table. Simple is that this is a table heading and this is a table data. Okay, so you can add columns according to your choice. So here you can see this is a company, position, candidate name, email, resume, and this is the application status. Okay, so how we can show this kind of things is here, how we can send, how we can show our application status, we will discuss in this video also. Okay, so this is the application status. So I have to simply apply the for each loop. So above the tr I have to write here c colon for each, then items is equal to double colon, then a dollar sign, then we have to pass the key, then where is equal to e, and simply close this for each loop below of the tr closing. Okay, here you can see I have to simply close this for each loop. Then I have to simply show the value step by step here. So e dot company name, so I'm just writing here e dot c name, e dot position is added as it is freelancer name, so f name, f email, and in our case that is the f resume, I think f resume, and we don't have the status till now or in this video, so I just temporarily remove the status from here, remove that, and now check this data is coming here or not. Come on the this kind of application, click on my application, And here you can see this all data is successfully coming here. That is the my job application. Here you can see amdocs, data consultancy services, and this is the all kind of job application. So here you can see similar thing you can notice in my database also. Okay, so if I am logging from the another account, I will also see this kind of things is right now. If I just apply here the apply e.status here, we will get that kind of error because we don't have that kind of column in our database. So for adding the status column in our database, we have to do some minor changes in our apply job class. Here you can see this is our apply job class. Where is that apply job? And here we have to declare one variable, that is a private string status, put on semicolon. We have to apply here getter setter of that particular variable. Click on that, source, generate getter setters, select all, generate, and then we have to come to the apply job job.jsp page. Here you can see where is that, view and apply. Here you can see view and apply job.jsp. Click on that, and where is the job application? This is our job application, and you can see here that is one input tag. Where is that? Here you can see input type is hidden placeholder, enter your status, and name is equal to status, and value is the same. So the value of the status input tag, that is the same. So this is as it is. We have to only notice the one thing is that name attribute is similar to our variable name or not. So this is the same. Now we have to do only one changes in our project DAO. That is the we have to change that particular query. Okay, so here you can see this is the apply job. Here you can see this one is the apply job query. So this is the all kind of variable declare here. Now we have to declare here one more variable, that is status, and we have to also mention the value of the status at the last of that query. So comma, single colon, double colon, plus plus c1 dot get status. Okay, now we have to do one more changes in our database, that is we have to add here that column. So as we will get that data. Okay, so I'm just writing here alter table name, that is apply job, add column, that is the status, varchar 1100. Click on execute query. Query is successfully executed. Let's check it out. Now our data is coming here or not. Here you can see the status is also, column is also coming here. I'm just truncate this apply job table, and we have to see now our send status is coming here or not. So I just apply a query, that is truncate table. So our data will be removed from that table. The table name, that is apply job. Execute query. Query successfully executed. Click on that, view all rows. There is a no data now present in that particular table. Okay, so I just again log into my account from here and set my job application, and here you can see I log into my account, explore jobs, and if you see my job application right now, where is that my application? There is a nothing here. You can see there is a nothing in this particular page. So if I apply for any kind of job from here, I just apply for Wipro Technology. Click on view and apply. Now. Here you can see this all detail coming here. I just need to select my resume from here, select the project documentation from here, open, click on a submit. Here you can see my job application successfully submitted from here. Let's check it out. Now over my application, our data is coming here or not. So here you can see this is my application. Click on that, and here you can see my data is now successfully coming here, but my application status is not coming here. There is one thing we forget, that we have to set and get that particular value in our project DAO also. Okay, so here you can see in our mapping of our last a1 dot set status rs dot get string column index number 7. Now check it is coming or not. Refresh this page from here, and here you can see now our status is successfully come here, that is send. Okay, so in our upcoming video we will discuss how we can accept or reject our job application, how company accept. If the company accept our job application, our data is accepted. If the company reject our application, our data is rejected. So similar like the LinkedIn functionality we apply in this project. So similar type of how we showed our job application, similar kind of concept we have to apply in our project application also. I just explain you how you can do that. You have to do it on yourself. Okay, I just pause this video and later coming on again on this video, and I will explain you how we can show this project application also. So I just pause this video and then come on this video.
5 hours later.
Here you can see I log into my freelancer account and I done the process that require for showing the my project application data also. Okay, so let's check it out now. Our project data is also coming here or not if I apply some kind of project. So explore projects, click on apply for music application, view and apply now. Here you can see details is already coming here. I just apply or select my resume, click on a submit, and here you can see my application submitted successfully. Now check it out, our data is showing here or not, that in my application my project details is showing here or not. Click on my application and here you can see my project detail is successfully showing here. That is company name, that is amjob, project name, my music application, candidate name Gaurav Ramesh Patil, YouTube, and this one is my resume, but the status is not showing here. We have to check the my application. Here you can see where is that my application, and have to type Control Z, and now check my status is showing here or not. Click on refresh and here you can see now my status is also showing here. So for showing the project application, I done the similar kind of uh, things that I apply in my job application. That is, I declare here the one method. Okay, that method I call from project DAO. Here you can see this is the method. I apply the similar kind of query, that is a like query. Just I just change my table name here. I set and get value, then again I came to my this kind of controller. I get this entire thing into one list, and by the help of add attribute I simply get that key, and by the help of that key I just simply show here that kind of data. Here you can see this one is a my key, and simply show this all kind of data. And for showing the status I just simply add the status variable in my apply project .java. Here you can see the status I just simply apply here in our project DAO. I just do some modification that here you can see I just apply status in value. I just also apply here status, and here you can see in my database also there is a apply project view and all rows. I just apply here the alter table query, that is alter table add column status. Okay, so this kind of things I just simply fix here and easily show this all kind of data. Now if I apply for any kind of jobs, for your example, if I apply for a different kind of company from it, that is the Tata Consultancy Services. Apply now, choose the resume, click on that, open, submit. Similar like that, if I apply for any kind of job from here, apply job, apply the project AI chatbot, apply now, choose the resume, click on that, submit, and let's check our application. Now our application is showing or not. Click on our application, my applications, and here you can see Tata Consultancy Services, Tata Consultancy Service, that is AI chatbot, and this is the BDA position. So now the all thing is perfectly working.
मजा आया और मैं ये जो मजा है हिंदुस्तान के हर व्यक्ति को देना चाहता हूँ.
In this video we will discuss about how we can show our application that we send it to the company. So this task is successfully completed. Now you understand on LinkedIn how we can see our job application that we send to company, but unfortunately it will showing us that the application is rejected. Okay, this is a sad but a reality. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. In next video we will discuss about how we can show our job application or project application on our company portal, how company can see our application, how company can download our application. So this kind of things we will discuss in our upcoming video. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel till now, I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel. It motivates me lots. And if you didn't watch our previous video, I request you please watch this video, and you will get a lots of benefits from that. This is my word. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much.